How are you, Usman, today?
I'm good, Komal. How are you doing?
I'm absolutely fine today.
All right.
So, I've been thinking about the buyers. Like, when the year started, there were so many buyers. Everybody wanted to buy a house. There were 30 offers, 40 offers. And now, of course, there's not much activity. The
Yeah.
houses are still selling, but, instead of 30 offers, we're getting lesser offers. But where are those people gone?
Yeah.
Where are those buyers gone? Have they disappeared?
Yeah. Well, I don't think they have disappeared, but what's happening is that majority of them have decided to stay put for the time being, and a lot of them are simply renting. And I think that leads us to discuss what's happening in the rental market, at least within the Greater Toronto pocket. Overall, we just read it, that in Canada, the rents have been at the highest level in the
Yeah.
last 3 years or so. In Toronto, for example, the rents have gone up about 20%
20%,
from May
yes.
2021. So that's a significant rise in the rental price. In Oakville, where we live, the rents have gone up significantly high as well. The average rent for a one bedroom in Oakville, for example, is $2,000.
Yeah.
In Toronto, you're looking at about $2,500. So that is, I believe, where majority of the buyers are going at the moment. They have decided to, for now, just stay put,
Yeah, I'm
rent,
noticing that
rent a
working
place
with
out.
tenants right now, it's becoming harder and harder because there's so much competition on rentals.
Yeah.
There's multiple offers. The landlords are becoming pickier, and
Yeah.
I find landlords have become much pickier since COVID because of
Absolutely.
bad experiences they've had with tenants.
Yep.
And
But having said that, I think it's a good time to be a landlord if you come to think of it.
yep,
I think that's what starts happening in our market, is that when the sales activity starts slowing down, the rental market picks it up. And over the last couple of years, we've noticed that there's been a number of investor folks. A lot of them are our clients as well. They have been on the sidelines. They say, hey, the prices are too high, the market is too fast for our appetite. We're just gonna wait it out. And now that the rental prices have
they're
started going up,
jumping back in.
I am pretty confident over the next 6 to 12 months, we're going to see a lot of investor consumers come back into the market, both for, let's say, downtown
Yeah.
Toronto, where a lot of the students have started coming back as well. Again, we already know the rents have gone up significantly high as well, even in the outskirts, because now that the
Suburbia as
price,
well,
yeah, because the
definitely.
price point, like the sales activity has slowed down. The prices have slightly, shifted from where they were about 3 months ago, and this is an opportunity for many investors to come in and grab something.
And we
So I
had
think we're going to see that. I'm
and
pretty sure
we
we're going to see that.
rentals. I see that with our recent rental when we recently leased a townhouse on the lake, and it was 8,500.
Yeah.
Like that was the lease price, and it rented within days. And we had so many inquiries, and that
Yeah.
shows that people are willing to pay a higher rent, and because there's so much demand right now.
Yeah, I think it's in every price point as
Yeah,
well. I think that's what
absolutely.
we are seeing.
Yeah.
So, if anybody's curious about in terms of what's happening in certain pockets from a rental standpoint, again, we have a lot of data that we look at. But I think the rental market might eventually lift the sales market as well. I think down
Absolutely.
the road.
Yeah.
That's
Cool.
it.
That's our rant.
All right.